Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today's our session is about determinants. So, which is the new topic in matrices? In class 10, linear equations in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. They are the general form of linear equations in two variables. One is x and other one is y. Here, linear equation in two variables, for finding whether the given system of equations has unique solution or not, there we use it to find a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we use it to say that it has unique solution. Right? If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then given system of equations has unique solution. So what is the use of determinants? Determinants are used to measure, determinants are used to say whether the given system of equations has unique solution or not. It will determine the given system of equations has unique solution or not. That is about determinant. So children, how to find determinant of a given matrix? For example, consider a matrix A equal to A1, B1, A2, B2. Okay? Determinant, we can write it as det A, or also we can define as delta. So determinant we can also write as det or delta is equal to, determinant formula is, that is children, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 children. For a 2 by 2 matrix, how to find determinant? That is det A or delta is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 children. For example, consider a matrix 1 minus 1 minus 3 1. Find determinant of A. So det A is equal to, children, here this is our A1 and this is B2. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 minus A2 B1. Minus 3 into minus 1. So 1 into 1, 1 1 ja 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus children. So 3 1 ja 3. So that is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 how much children? 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Children, you understood how to find determinant of a given matrix? The formula is what? a1 b2 minus a2 b1. For example, consider one more matrix. A equal to, let the matrix be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how to find det? Det in the sense determinant of A. What is the formula for determinant of A? A1 B2, 1 into 4 minus A2 B1, 3 into 2 children. So 1 into 4, 1 4 ja 4. Minus 3 into 2, 3 2 ja 6. So that is 4 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2, which is not equal to 0. In this way, we can find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Now the question is, how to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix? If it is 3 by 3 matrix, how to find determinant? For example, consider a matrix A equal to 1 4 2 2 minus 1 4 minus 3, 7, 6 children. This is the given matrix. Now how to find determinant of A, that A. Listen children carefully. When we are finding determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, see here what is the first row children? Here the first row is 1, 4, 2. Okay, so that is here this is 1. See children, 1 into, see actually the formula for finding determinant is A1 B2 minus A2 B1. It should be 2 by 2 matrix, right? So what you have to do, you need to leave that particular column and particular row children. If we leave the particular column and particular row, what are the remaining elements children? Minus 1, 4, 7, 6, right? What we have? Here we have minus 1, 4 and 7, 6. Because we are leaving that corresponding row and corresponding column. So we have minus 1, 4, 7, 6. So minus 1 into 6, that is minus 6, A1, B2 minus A2, B1. 7 into 4, 7 4 are 28 children. Okay. So, and this is plus and this is minus and this is plus. Why it will be, we will discuss in the next topic, that is called minor of an element. Minor of a element. Okay. So the first element, it will be plus children. So 1 into minus 6 minus 28. What is the second element children? We have minus 4. So you leave that particular column and particular row. We have elements are 2, 4, minus 3, 6. What we have? 2, 4, minus 3, 6 children. If you want to see 2, 4, minus 3, 6 for 4. Okay. Again 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12 minus into minus 3 into 4. Actually this is minus into minus plus 3 4 are 12 children. Next we have 2, that is plus 2. Children, you have to leave that particular row and particular column. So we have the elements 2 minus 1 minus 3 7. 2 minus 1 minus 3 7. That is 2 into 7, 2 7 are 14. Minus into minus plus, actually minus 3 1 are 3. That is 1 into minus 6 minus 28, that is minus 24. Minus 4 into 12 plus 12, that is 24. Plus 2 into 14 minus 3, that is 11. 1 into minus 34, that is minus 34. Minus 4 into 24, 24 4 are 96. Plus 2 into 11, 2 12 are 2 11 are 22. So these two are the same. I mean add 34 and 96 because they both are same signs. 9 plus 3 12 plus 1 13. I mean minus 130 plus 22. 10 minus 2 8. 2 minus 2 0. That is minus 1 not 8 children. Okay, which is not equal to 0. Children, you understood how to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. When we are finding determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, we need to remove that corresponding row and corresponding column. See, for finding one, corresponding row, corresponding column we remove. This is corresponding column, this is corresponding row. When we remove these two rows, when row and column, we got minus 1, 4 and 7 and 6. So for finding 4, we have removed that corresponding column and corresponding row. We have 2, 4, 3, minus 3, 6. For finding 2, we have removed that corresponding column and corresponding row. We got 2, minus 1, minus 3, 7. Then for finding determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, we have the formula A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, we got minus 1 at 8. In this way, we can find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Children, if you want one more example, let us discuss one more example. How to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Children, here this element whose sign is plus and this is minus and this is plus. Okay, when we are finding minor of an element, okay, for finding minor of element and cofactors, there we will discuss why we use these signs, right? So here we have plus 1. For finding 1, we need to remove that corresponding row and corresponding column. Whatever the leftover elements are, 4, 5, 6, 7 children. I mean 4 into 7, 4 7 is 28, minus 6 into 5, 6 5 is 30. Next we have minus 2, corresponding row, corresponding column. We have 3 5s, 3 5 5 7. 3 7 is 21, minus 5 5 is 25. Plus we have 3, corresponding column, corresponding row. 3 4 5 6, 3 6 is 18, minus 5 4 is 20. So 1 into 28 minus 30, minus 2, minus 2 into 21 minus 25, that is minus 4, plus 3 into 18 minus 20, that is minus 2. 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, 2 4 is 8, plus into minus minus, 3 2 is 6. So minus 2 plus 8 minus 6, 2. 2 minus 2 how much children? 0. Okay, we got that A, how much children? That A equal to 0. Okay, so in this way we can find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. Children, once if you practice, then only we can do these sums. Okay, for listening it will be easy. When we are doing, you will not get children. Once if you practice, then only we will get a concept on these determinants. Okay children, I hope you understood how to find determinant. In the next video, we will discuss about how to find minor of an element and how to find cofactor of a given matrix. So once if you understand determinant, there we can find easily minor and cofactor. These three are little bit interrelated. One is determinant, second one is minor, and third one is cofactor. Once if you understand these three topics, we can go with the rules of Cramer's rule, inverse method and Gauss-Jordan method. I hope. Thank you children.